Look, when it comes to trading on pocket option, it's not just about having the right indicators or catching the perfect setup. It's about having a system that makes sense to you. A strategy is only as good as your ability to stick with it, to stay disciplined, even when the market throws curveballs. What I'm going to share in this video isn't a get-rich-quick trick. It's a method I've refined through trial, error, and a lot of time and demo. It's simple, it's structured, and most importantly, it's repeatable. If you've been jumping from one strategy to another hoping for instant success, maybe it's time to slow down and focus on building something sustainable. That's what this is all about, trading with intention, not emotion. So stick around, take some notes, and let's build consistency together.